Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petit Coding. Hey guys, so last time we finished this setup images and we finished up all the things, and something is really strange right now that I'm not calling this setup images function here, and if I'm not calling it, this will never have the images there. And there's something I don't like about this because the view control is doing too much. So it's setting up its own images, and I think somebody else should set up the images instead of the view controller, so you can test it and see that um, you know that the setup images should be called here. So what I'm going to do first of all, is I'm going to refactor this code and set these setup images in another class. So let me start with that. I'll do a new file here, and then I'm going to call this emblem settings, and I'm going to create. Okay, and this should be a class public class emblem settings. Okay, that's it. You shouldn't write any code but I'm refactoring, so it's not I'm in this refactor state, so I can do whatever I want right now. So first of all, this will not be that SUT. This will be these emblem settings now, and now I'm going to have a lot of errors. Has no member setup images, right? So I need this setup images. Public func setup images, right? Like this. Menu. It's failing. Setup images. Has no value setup images with a file name. File name string. Command U. This is still failing. Has no member setup. Oh yes, setup images. Setup images. Okay, now I have 7 images, but now look what I have in here. Fighter and image view, because I don't have those right now, and I shouldn't need those, okay? Because this should be passed in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up this stuff here. So I'm going to say fighter emblem image view equals UI image view. Okay, Command U. So this should be my fighter emblem image view, like this, with the UI image view. If I get it like this, then it works, right? Then it's working here. So I gotta do the same for each one. Let's support UI image view, UI image view, like this, Command U. So I'm going to replace the support. Right? I'm going to do the same for each one of this. Marksman, UI image view, like this, and then tank. I gotta do the same for each one of this. UI image view, tank jungle, UI image view, like this. I can erase this stuff. This is not going to be from the SUT, but from my arrange in the tests. jungle assassin UI image view assassin mage and mage. This is not here yet, so let mage equal UI image view, command U. I'm missing the marksman. Okay, this is, oh yeah, it's not SGT, it's like this now. UI image view should be UI image view. Okay, command U. Okay, now my tests are failing, and that's okay, because what I only need to do here is pass this, what I had here before, right, in my setup images to my emblem settings here, like this, command U. Now I don't have this, so what I have to do now, I'm going to pass everything here. UI image view. Okay, UI image view cannot be found because I have to import UIKit. Now it makes sense, right? Now I'll put in support UI image view, then I'll put marksman again. I'm just refactoring, so image view, tank emblem, UI image view, jungle emblem, UI image view, assassin emblem, UI image view, and mage emblem, UI image view. Command U. Yeah, this file name, we can do it with name here. Okay, and now it's just arguing that none of this is not optional, so I'm going to pass in that this cannot be new. Okay, like this here. Command U. And the build is failing because now we have missing arguments, and now what I have to do is the fighter in emblem image view. I have to pass in all the arguments here, like this, otherwise I won't be able to support marksman, tank here, jungle, assassin, mage. Okay, command U. Okay, and I refactor it, and everything is passing now. So everything that I put it here, and I can erase this function, I don't need that anymore. Command U. Okay, and everything is passing, and I moved the logic that I needed from here to another class. So I'm going to commit, and I'm going to say change emblem settings logic to its own class to comply with the solid principle. Commit four files and push. Okay, I think that's enough for this video. We just refactored this, so we have to refactor it more because these tests are not the same. And as you can see, if I could do that and put it in a different class, then that means that it was violating the single responsibility principle. And all the tests are passing. All the tests are still passing. So I didn't modify anything about the code or anything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you receive notifications every time I post any video. Next time we're gonna fix this step by step, so don't miss out the next video.